Okay, children, welcome to the class. Today, we are going to read exercise 20.2, question number 3 and 4. Okay, and here, according to this question, we have to find out the area of the given figures. Okay, children, I hope you all are ready. In question number 1, question Aditya, can you read this question?
There is a square pond of length 5 centimeter at the center of the square garden, x meter long. Find the area of the garden excluding the pond.
Yes. Which one is the biggest? Okay, this one. There are two one. Which one is the bigger one? The square having five meter length or the square having x meter length? Which one is the bigger there? Which one is bigger there? Do you know? The 5 meter long square is at the center of the square garden of x meter long. That means 5 meter is the smaller one and x meter is the bigger one. Is that? Have you understood, children? Aviral? Have you understood?
Sir,
Okay. Which one is the bigger one square? Which one is the bigger one? Look at it. Its figure will be like this. Okay, I want to show you here. Its figure will be like this. Is my figure displaying there?
Yes, sir.
Good. Look, x meter square is bigger. Okay. Inside this x meter square, there is a square pond whose length is how much long? Look there. 5 meter long. Okay. And question is asking that we have to find out the area of this garden excluding this pond. Means except this pond, now what is the area of the garden? We have to find out that. Understood, children? Hello, Sujin. I saw there, okay, more Sujin. That's why I asked, okay. Sujin, we have to find out in this figure the area of the garden excluding this pond. That means we have to find out first of all area of the square garden. That is supposing here A1. Okay, I have supposed this area of the square garden is A1. We know area of the square is L square. L square formula used there. Then L means there x square, then meter also square. That's why x square meter square. This is the area of the square garden. And area of the square pond. Now inside this there is garden, there is square pond. Area of the square pond we have supposed there, look here, A2. Its formula also L square. Then 5 is square m square. That means annotation please stop there. Okay, thank you very much. And look at this is 5 square meter square. And it will be 5 square meter square means what is this? 25 meter square. Then when you find the area of the garden, okay, excluding the pond means we have to subtract the area of the pond, then garden only will remain. That means A equals to what will be x square meter square, this area 1. From area 1 we have to subtract area 2. It is coming, it is in formula a square minus b square, we can use it, x plus 5, x minus 5, okay? Or we can write like this only, x square minus 25 meter square also you can write. Or you can write x plus 5 into x minus 5 also. Are you clear, children? How to find the area of this garden excluding the pond means from this area of the garden we have to subtract the area of the pond. And as I told you, this answer we can write in x plus 5, x minus 5, or we can write answer in x square minus 25 m square also we can write. Okay, Sadiq sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I hope you all are clear about this question number 3i. Now I am going to teach you question number 3ii. According to question number 3ii, it goes like this, look here. There is given figure clearly. What is the length of bigger square here? Can you tell Aviral what is the area, what is the length of bigger square?
So 2x minus 1.
Very good. And what is the length of the small square?
X plus 1.
Good. X plus 1. Then here also what you have to do, you know, when we find the area of the shaded region is the dark one, okay? Dark one, this lining one, shaded one, okay? Where I have drawn this line one, okay? That is the shaded part. Here also we have to find the area of the bigger square, okay? Then find the area of small square. Then when you subtract the small square from the bigger square, then you will get the area of the shaded region. Are you clear? Hello, Riva.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
clear? Are you clear? Hello, Sujan. Are you clear? Okay, now I am going to show its calculation. Hello, Sujan. Okay, look here. First of all, as I told you, area of the bigger square means A1, that is L square. Its square means 2x minus 1 whole square, okay? Now, area of, look here, area of the small square is A1, this one, okay? This one you can write A2, okay, here. You write A2, that is L square. Then, when you subtract the area of smaller square, that is x plus 1 whole square. This x plus 1 whole square subtract from 2x minus 1 whole square. Then you will get the area of shaded region. Subtract them. And then when you subtract here, then put here x value 5. Question is asking there to put the value of x 5. Okay. When you put the value of x 5, then you will get actual area of the shaded region. 10 minus 1 it will be 9. 9 square means 81. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 6 are 36. 81 minus 36 you will get 45. square unit. Okay, children. You understand how to do it?
Yes, sir.
Good. I hope you all are doing now also, because you have to send me all this work just now, okay? Just after this class. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Here I was telling this one, this area of small square, suppose A2, okay? That is also L square, and x plus 1 whole square will be subtracted from this 2x minus 1 whole square. Then you will get the area of the shaded region. Do you have any confusion, children?
No, sir.
Okay, you can do it. That's very good. And here we have to put the value of x. Okay, it is clearly telling in question. Put the value of x 5 and find its answer in actual number. Okay, put the value of x 5, then find out its answer in actual number. That will come 45 square units, because area will be measured in square unit. A centimeter square, meter square, like the kilometer square, like that. Okay. Now let's see question number 4. Can you read, Sobia? Sobia, can you read the question?
Yes, sir.
Read the question.
Find the area of the shaded portion in the adjoining diagram. If r is equals to 12 centimeter and r is equals to 5 centimeter, what will be its area?
Okay. This bigger one radius is denoted by capital R. Small radius is denoted by small r. Okay. This capital R is the radius for the bigger one circle, okay? And small one is the radius of the small circle. And for capital R we have to use 12 centimeter. For small r we have to use 5 centimeter. And question is asking to find the area of the shaded region. Here also we have to find out area of bigger circle first, then find out the small circle, then from bigger circle subtract small circle, then what will come? The area of shaded region will come. Understood, children? Any student can tell me the answer. There is a formula of this finding the area of circle. What is the formula to find the area of circle? Do you know?
So 2 pi r.
That is wrong. 2 pi r is the area. That is not area. That is the circumference. Area is found by using pi r square. Okay, children? We have to find out area of bigger square look by using this one, pi r square, capital R here. This r for radius. This pi value will be 22 by 7. Okay. Here look here, I have used a pi r square. The r means 12 centimeter given in question only. Then find the area of the small circle, that is A2. We have to write A2 there, okay? We have to write A2 there. Okay, children? Second one area is A2. First one area is A1. Okay, children. Then from the bigger area, if you subtract small area, if you subtract small area from bigger, then look, first one pi r square, pi, right, pi only, and r means 12 centimeter square, and small one is a2, that is small r, pi r square, look here, pi and 5 centimeter square. Then here also, when you find the area of shaded region, when you find the area of shaded region, we have to subtract that, okay, small area from bigger area, then it will be a1 minus a2, pi is pi only, then write a pi, this a1 is, look here, 12 centimeter square, and pi and a2 is 5 centimeter square. It means, look here, we can take pi value is 22 by 7, 12 centimeter square means 12 12 is 144, 5 centimeter square means 5 5 is 25. Then when we subtract 144 minus 25, that will be divided by 7, and that multiply by 22, okay. Here I want to show you this calculation also. Look at children, this will be what, look at 144 minus what you have to do, 25, you will get 14 minus 5 9, here will be 3 minus 2 1, and this 119 remains here. Then 119 will be divided by 7, and of there is 22 also. Look here, here will be 22 into 119, okay, then divided by 7. Let's cancel. Look here, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, here also left 4, 49, 7 sevens are 49. Then when you multiply this 22 with 19, you will get 374 centimeters square. Okay, children? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now your work, just now, please send me the in Google Class one. Okay, in my Google Class, your Google Class. Okay, you please send that answer in Google Class just now. All students who are now in the class, all students should send, okay, this in this time. I am giving you this 7 minutes time to send me in my Google Classroom. Okay, children?
So can you show previous question?
Sorry?
So can you show previous question?
It has become difficult for you to solve. Okay, look here, I am going to show. You are telling this one, 3 number 1 and 3 number 2.
So 3 number.
Okay, please do these questions and send me, okay? I want to see how many students are present here today. This all students should send me the homework in Google Classroom. Okay, children? I am waiting for your answers. I am looking and waiting for the answer. Who are sending me? I will tell the name who are sending me. Tejas has sent. The first student to send homework is Tejas. But Tejas, if you send the homework with figure, it could be better, okay? But you have sent already. From the next time, okay, if there are figure, don't forget to send homework with figure. Okay, Tejas?
Okay, sir.
And I have got next homework also from Riva. Okay, very good, very good. You are sending me, okay, now. Other students also please send. All students to send. I hope you all are doing. Till now, two students have sent. Other, what are you doing? Okay, next student also sent. Okay. Dil Soba. Okay, Dil Soba has also sent. I got the homework. All of you please send. Okay. We have just 2 minute time. Sarita, are you sending? Sakshi.
So did you got mine?
Okay, I'm looking here.